Christmas began with a single spark, a watt on their door that whispered, "Welcome home. Today we are making a Christmas watt that's more than just a decoration. It's a warm hug for everyone who steps inside. The base start with your boss base. It can be made of foam if you have a rustic look. Keep the natural brown white from something more polished. Warp the base with green scarlet or soft velvet ribbon. Just from the heart of your bath, simple and full of promise. Add creamy. Now bring your bath to life with green paint and red vines. Layer the branches in one direction and the center with flower wire. And here's the pattern. Keep your bath that full Christmas look like a forest frozen in time. The centerpiece. Now let's make the star of your bath the bow. Choose a ribbon in velvet and tie it at the top. And depending on your design, a big soft bow instantly give your bath that luxury Christmas touch, elegant and warm. These personal details. This is your creative shine. A little best that angel in the wind, mini candles, wooden star, or even a small name tag. The small personal touch make your what's here a story told. Thought ribbon and creamy light up. Finally warp tiny LED lights around your bath for that soft evening glow when lights and the tiny lights twinkle and tricky lights. It feels like the Christmas has arrived right at your doorstep and neighbors. Your handmade Christmas wall, a symbol of love, hope, and togetherness. Craft with your own hand. Hang it on your door, above your fireplace, or gift it to someone you love. Because every word to tell a story, and this year, let it tell yours. So, friends. Thanks for watching my channel and viewers. Thanks for watching my videos. So,